cut this in the center. I was gonna break. I'm curious about this. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here and I am back with another project. In my last video I made this cover out of a paper bag and I built two pockets, one in the front cover and one on the back cover. So keep all my magazines about angels together in the same place so I can journal on them, I can add pages, and I can do whatever I want in this amazing journal. And as I was inspired in angels, I have this angel that I had for a long time, and it's made out of fabric from corn, wood, and everything is from nature, jute, wings. So I was inspired in this type of materials, and I was collecting some of these leaves from grape seed trees in my garden. So this is super cute. They're super nice, and the fact that I love is that they have all this vein. So I was thinking, like, if I cut it in the center I can have the wings for my angel. I think that this white hair gives me like a heavenly mood or vibe, so I probably can use it. And also this was a precious brush from a magazine too, that if I cut it in the middle I can make wings with this. So there are two different styles and I'm gonna try and see what happens. I have the paper that I paint using stencils, and I think that this orange will be popping up from this cover pretty well. So with this cover I have two options. I can, if I leave it complete, it's going to be too tall. I'm just gonna tear it apart and leave that grungy unfinished touch, and then I can put it also in here. So I'm gonna do the same. I like that 48 down there. And I'm gonna do the same. Okay, so this is what I have, and that will be the background. But just in case, I'm just gonna leave in this part just to give it more support. And let's see how can we transform her into an angel. You can see that the differences in colors are so beautiful, and I strongly believe that these are going to be the perfect wings for her. So I'm going to cut this in the center of the diamonds and put them on both sides. They are the perfect wings for her. Now what I have to do is I have to cover this part, and far away from being nature materials like in this one, that where I got my inspiration from, is very fancy, very elegant with diamonds and everything. So what I'm thinking is I can probably have some of the leaves on the back, especially the ones with the nerves, and I really don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna try probably making a dress out of these leaves. So this is what is gonna happen, and I'm gonna start gluing the pages. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about angels? Do you have a passion for angels too? You use them in your journals, in your pages? Let me know in the comments down below. So I have my signature here, the 4, and I have my modern angel. First I'm gonna glue the wings just in case I have a problem and I have to remove them or move them out of another place. So that's gonna be one. And actually I like them to come out from her shoulders, because remember they come from the back. I'm almost out of glue, you can see here, but that's okay. Here I need to go a little bit in here. And also I want to leave that purple out because it matches with the dress. Perfectly matches with the dress. So I want to leave them there. So I think that I'm ready to glue this over here. And I'm gonna make the dress out of, I can probably go here or completely there. I'm just gonna glue this on my cover. Really beautiful. Let me see. This was perfect, but I think that it's a little bit big, and these leaves can be like so almost forever. So that'll be the dress. I can also probably make a ruffle here or place some lace on top of that, or just cut it, but I don't want her to lose part of the bodies. Another option I have is to use a tiny bit of lace, and I think I'm gonna go with this idea. I love it more, and probably I can use the leaves for a different project. And yes, I'm just gonna have this on top of the letter so I can still see the body with the illusion that the letters are not there. All right. Also, I can go with double so I can have another layer on the bottom of that. And that's what I'm going to do. Like if I go here and I go here, it gives me a beautiful illusion about what the angel is about. And of course I'll need to press this with a heavy book probably. Let me give the wings tiny drop of glue so we don't have the little tips standing up. That earring needs a tiny bit of glue, and that's the result. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this cover? Probably I'll go with a sentiment here. Let me see in here. I remember seeing something related with angels and as learning to soar, probably divine mission. That would be the perfect quote for this. Divine mission. This is so perfect for this. I love it. Probably like so. Let me try this. I don't know how it's gonna break. I'm curious about this. All right, then I can have it here, and then I can put that there. Yes. This is the final result. I am in love with the cover, and what I did is that I cut the lace that was all the way up to here and all the way up to there, so to give the illusion that is the dress. And in order to distress a little bit those letters in there, I'm gonna use my vintage photo, and gently I'm gonna go here to see if I can get rid of those letters. I'm gonna keep trying and see what I can do. At least it's not so white, but this is what we have. I am super happy, and let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Thanks for watching, and don't go away without subscribing to my channel, because every week I'm posting my new projects, ideas, in order to motivate you and to inspire you to make your own projects. So stay tuned, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and give me a thumbs up, and of course a like. See you soon. Bye, my friends. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.